Hey guys, welcome back to Master Designs, another exciting episode. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the Invincibubble from SpongeBob SquarePants the movie, Sponge Out of Water. You see, SpongeBob, his mission was to retrieve the Krabby Patty formula from the evil Burger Beard. But, he and his crew, they managed to get it back. Invincibubble, he's got bubble powers. And, pretty awesome, huh? There's also Super Awesomeness, Serpinch-a-Lot, Sour Note, and Plankton. Don't forget the rodent. Okay, folks, let's get drawing. And it's there. There's his head. Next thing you gotta do, you just gotta draw his bubble wand on top of his head. There's his shirt. Okay. Okay then. Next up, you just gotta draw his rock hard abs. And there. That is how you draw the Invincibubble. Pretty awesome, don't you think? He looks just like the one in the movie. Great, huh? Anyways, that's all the time I have for now for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys are ready for the next one, because I know I am. Oh, and have a good Sunday.